In this video, I'm going to show you how to nest ternaries. So here's some example code. We've got three Boolean conditions, and based on those conditions, we set the result string to tell which condition was first true, or if none of them were true, none true, and then we print it out. So this code works by first testing condition one. If it's true, the result's set to condition 1. If it's not true, then it checks condition 2 in the else if. If condition 2 is true, it sets that. If condition 2 is also not true, it checks 3, and so on. So when I run this with all three true, you see that condition 1 is the if case that picks it up. Now, if condition 1 is false, we see that condition 2 prints. So to turn this into a nested ternary, and this is a candidate for doing something like that because we're setting the result string uh, based on these three conditions. So to do that, pretty simple. Let's just reuse this line here where we set our result or initialize our result. But instead of just declaring it, we're going to set it to a ternary. I like to put my parentheses around the whole thing just to keep it straight. We have our condition 1 question mark. So if it's true, we want condition 1. Otherwise, this is the false part of the ternary. And instead of being another string, we're going to put in another ternary. So what I like to do, like I said, surround my ternaries with parentheses. And I'm going to just take this down a line to make it a little bit more clear. So now we're inside the false portion of condition 1. Helps if you spell it right, I guess. So condition 2. Now we're inside the else of condition 2. Again, I'm going to move it down a line. What did I do? And then we're in the final else, the catch-all. All right, so there you go. So with that, we can get rid of this big long if else. And now when I run this, okay, you see condition 1 was the first one true, so it's the one that the string was set to. We change that to false. Now the first ternary is going to go into the else, which is another ternary that checks condition 2. And you see condition 2 is true, so condition 2 prints. If condition 2 is false as well, that means it'll go into the third ternary, which checks condition 3, and condition 3 was true, so condition 3 prints. Now if condition 3 was false, so all three of them, you see condition 3's else is what prints, not true.